Hello everyone, welcome back to ICSC Easy Learn. So as I told you before in my previous videos that I will be providing you the notes of chapter Great Preachers, as well as we are going to do exercise we may not be doing this video because if you are doing the notes and you have revised the chapter, you can do it yourself also. So we are not doing the exercise. Okay, so and we are completing more to know. We are going to complete more to know, which we have left. Two more to know we have left and one more. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the first more to know. Java is an important center of Buddhism. The temple at Borobudur in Java. So Java, this is a place. It is here the important center of Buddhism is located, and the temple is Borobudur. Temple Borobudur in Java. It is one of the most famous monuments, Buddhist monuments in the world. In the whole world, this is the most famous Buddhist monuments are located here. And it was built by whom? This temple was built? It was built by the rulers, not one ruler but many rulers, 2 3 or okay, by the rulers of Satyendra dynasty. And this temple at Borobudur is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So ये क्या है? एक UNESCO World Heritage Site भी है. So the main focusing points here are Java is an important center, temple at Borobudur in Java. These two are the places, and Buddhist monuments. They are famous Buddhist monuments built by the rulers of Satyendra dynasty, and it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So let's move on. Okay, so now this is second more to know, which is based on Jainism. So the Dilwara temples in Mount Abu. Dilwara temples are located in Mount Abu. And where Mount Abu is located? It is located in Rajasthan. Dilwara temples are the finest examples. Finest example means बहुत बढ़िया examples हैं किस चीज़ किस religion के, Jain religion के, India में, not in the world but only in India. And these temples are carved out of marble. Marble is used means. And now another temple is mentioned here, Vimal Vashai temple. This is the earliest of all the temples which were built in Dilwara. And this temple, Vimal Vashai temple, is dedicated to the first Jain Tirthankar, Rishabdeva. सो ये किसको डेडिकेट किया गया है? जो फर्स्ट जैन तीर्थंकर्स थे, ऋषभदेवा, उनको डेडिकेट किया गया है. सो होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन. ओके, सो on the next page, this is given Buddhism and Jainism, a comparative study. That given us a comparative study that we are going to learn or discuss the similarities and differences. Similarities and dissimilarities in one column only. We need not to hurry away. Okay, so let's get started. So what were the similarities? Just a minute. Okay, what were the similarities? Similarities were that they both, Jainism and Buddhism, both opposed animal sacrifices and elaborate rituals and ceremonies. Okay, so this was the first point. Second is they criticize the caste system. They criticize that there should be equality among the human beings. There should be equality among the human beings. First point we have done. Second point we have done. Now third point. Believed in non-violence. They believed in ahimsa की अहिंसा होनी चाहिए. And believed in moksha and nirvana. मोक्ष प्राप्ति और निर्वाणा में बिलीव करते थे. दोनों ही, फोर्थ पॉइंट, दोनों ही स्ट्रेस करते थे गुड डीड्स मीन्स गुड वर्क, अच्छे कर्मों में विश्वास रखते थे. प्रीच करते थे उस लैंग्वेज में जो कॉमन पीपल अंडरस्टैंड कर पाएँ ईजिली. जो ट्रेडर्स थे, क्राफ्टमैन्स थे, पीजेंट्स थे, ये क्या थे? ज़्यादातर अट्रैक्टेड हुए बुद्धिज़्म और जैनिज़्म से, क्योंकि उन्हें क्या लगा कि जो ये रिलीजन है बुद्धिज़्म और जैनिज़्म, ये बहुत ही सिंपल है प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू द डिफरेंसेस. डिफरेंस क्या है? कि 3 differences only given there. So we are just going to study these 3 differences. So first difference is that Jainism stresses. Jainism क्या stress करता था? Extreme penance. Extreme penance means बहुत regretful या फिर regretful feel करना या फिर sorrow feel करना किसी भी चीज़ को related और regarding any type of sin. SIN. Sin means पाप. कोई भी पाप हो जाए तो बहुत regretful और sorrow feel करता था, बहुत स्ट्रेस करता था. वेयर जो बुद्धिज़्म था वो अपोज करता था एक्सट्रीम पीनेंस को और क्या कहता था दैट इंस्टेड ऑफ स्ट्रेसिंग वी शुड लीड अ बैलेंस लाइफ. नाउ सेकंड पॉइंट इज गिवन इज दैट द स्ट्रेस और नॉन वायलेंस. जो नॉन वायलेंस पर स्ट्रेस था वो जैनिज़्म में क्या था, ज़्यादा था, बहुत सीवियर था, मीन्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा था. वेयर एज बुद्धिज़्म क्या करता था, इम्पोर्टेंस. In Buddhism, while importance is given to non-violence, the stress is not so severe. Importance दी गई है non-violence को, अहिंसा को, but क्या है इतना ज़्यादा severe नहीं है. Jainism could never spread out. जो Jainism है वो कभी इंडिया से बाहर ज़्यादा spread नहीं हो पाया. Whereas Buddhism जो था वो इंडिया से मतलब फॉरेन कंट्रीज़ में स्प्रेड हो पाया. जैनिज़्म क्यों नहीं स्प्रेड हो पाया, क्योंकि सिर्फ महावीरा थे जिन्होंने इतना वर्क किया इसको स्प्रेड करने में. उनके बाद कोई स्प्रेड करने वाला था नहीं रिलीजन को, तो इसलिए जैनिज़्म इंडिया से बाहर स्प्रेड नहीं हो पाया. बुद्धिज़्म फॉरेन कंट्रीज़ में स्प्रेड हो पाया. ओके, नाउ इट्स द टाइम to show you the notes, to give you the notes, and while I'll be providing the notes, you can take the screenshots and you can have the printout also. So you can take the screenshot either by taking screenshot, and then you have, if you wish, then you can get the printout from any shop nearby your house. Okay, so now let me show you the notes. So let's get started. Okay, so these are the notes for the chapter Great Preachers, class 6. You can take the screenshots and have the printout later on. So now the next slide. These are actually page wise. Now okay. Now next page I am going to show you. I mean to say slide. So this is the spread of Buddhism and the decline of Buddhism. Okay, now it's the time for next slide. So from this slide, Jainism, a case study is started. And please take care, a case study through notes I have written, through notes. Okay. Now this is the next slide. Now this is the next slide. In this slide, religious text of Jainism and the sects of Jainism. Sorry, here instead of Buddhism, Jainism will come. So please make the correction. Now how the spread of Jainism and the decline of Jainism. I had made point as per given inside your book, so take care about that also. Now the next slide I am going to show you. Actually this is the last page. Afterwards the chapter is over, so you can learn them from lesson in a page. Lesson in a page is given at the back of your chapter, so you can take a view of that also. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel ICSE Easy Learn if you have not done yet. And many of you had not subscribed the channel yet, so please do subscribe and like this video. Share as much as you can with your friends. So till then, take care. Bye bye.